Whoa, what?
See that?
No, whoa,
Stop,
what?
right there, eyes.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to be spontaneous and I was like, listen, let's go to Crawford Bridge at night in the dark. I'm scared. Crawford Bridge is like scary to go under at night. Just driving through, I get scared. Probably the next time you're gonna see me is at Alicia's house. So yeah, don't forget, if you're new, like, subscribe, comment down below, share my page, let people know I actually exist. So yeah, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for subscribing to my page. I love you guys, and yeah, let's get into this video. Guys, oh my so I'm literally turning down the road that my friend lives down, and they're having like new houses like opening. You know the guys that have like the signs and are twirling them? Well, this one dude, he's at the end of the street and I'm laughing at him because he's like smiling really hard, and I'm getting ready to turn and he's like, call me. I was like, oh my god. Oh, don't want to hit that car. Yes! Slay! Oh, yep. Hi. Oh, hey vlog, what's up? So I'm driving my friend's car. Man, I wish I had a Honda Civic, bro. But yeah, we are going to, what's it called? We're going to the mall to get more stuff like I always do. And then we're going to pick up Noah. And then we're going to go down Crawford Road. Yep.
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna go ghost hunting.
Look how pretty her makeup looks, guys. Yes.
Thanks.
Okay.
Look how good her makeup looks.
Aw, thanks.
I'm trying to like show them with the glasses.
Yeah. I know, my glasses in the way. But yeah, well.
You need to get a stand.
I know, same. I would vlog some more, but we'll probably be back later. Bye, guys. See ya. Hey guys, so we just got out of Ulta and we went to Sephora 2 days in a row. You know, it's good. So we went in shopping and we're gonna do a haul in her car of everything we got.
Yeah, boy.
Woo!
Okay, so I got these. I'm gonna do what a YouTuber does. Got these lashes. They're really cute.
What brand?
I'm on a budget right now.
It's okay. We
So
are.
I'm risking my rent just for this. It was $8 and this was $5 plus ew.
No, I didn't think he was cute. I thought he looked weird.
I was like, you said ooh.
I was a little bit of a baller today, like I always am. So I got the same exact lashes.
You ended up getting this?
Yeah. Yes.
I didn't see you get that.
I got these lashes. Ooh, girl, yes. And then I did get this. It's from Milk Makeup, and it's like a glitter stick.
It's really nice.
Like just white glitter on my It's in the color Techno. I'll have to do a review on it, but it's really pretty. I could do this for like festival makeup looks, you know. That's how I got at Sephora.
Bro, the guy would have
oh my god, guys. Yeah. Okay, and then I got these things from ColourPop because, you know, I have to spend my money. ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color EXO. Heck yeah. There's actually a K-pop band named EXO.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You know that means kiss and kiss hug.
Really? No, it's spelled EXO, this one, not X and O. Then this one is called Don't Leave. It's pink, you probably can't even see it. Then this one's in the color.
One day you're just vlogging and like you just got robbed on camera.
I'd get really scared. Like I'd lock the car and be like, stop it! I'm trying to vlog!
Like what would you do one day you're just like vlogging and a guy like breaks the window?
It just happens out of nowhere.
Just pulls
my hair out the window. All you see is my head going out the window. I imagine that entire thing. Oh my god. I need to take my damn glasses off. Look at my tears coming down my face.
Oh my God.
Bro, y'all don't understand how scared I am right now. Like, I don't do ghosts. Like, I don't fucking like ghosts. Ghosts are scary.
It's gonna be fun.
Fun. No, I'm scared for my life. Noah!
Hey, bitch!
My bitch! Tell us how you feel right now, right?
So, I mean, personally, oh god. My ass is on fire.
He's been shitting all day. Tell the vlog how you feel right now,
I don't
Noah.
know how I feel.
Are you scared, nervous?
You look like a kid in therapy right now with your hoodie on. And Lauren's like the therapist. Tell me how you feel. He's like, I don't know how I feel.
Why are you recording me?
Because I'm going to sell you online. Dark humor.
Oh, wait, I don't want to bite now.
Come on!
No.
Hot dog.
No, because you're gonna go.
No, I'm not.
I feel like you will.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I just want you to bite it.
Now that I gave you the idea, you will.
No, I won't.
It's pretty good. Eat it. Eat the dog.
Say, hey, baby.
Here, can I smack it on your tongue?
No.
It's seasoned really good.
Just let me smack it on your tongue. Please?
No.
Lauren, can I smack it on your tongue?
Sure.
Oh. I got out her glasses.
I get her in the face.
I got out her glasses.
It is?
Yes, it like hit your...
Oh god, I got hit in the face by a dog. So we're getting ready to leave right now. I'm so scared.
I'm putting on my running shoes in case the car shuts down.
God damn, I'm gonna...
Bust down, Tatiana.
Hey, I'm so scared. I'm going to shit my pants, I think.
You went "hey" in the middle of you saying that you're gonna shit your pants.
A ghost popping up and then you just see fucking Lauren just fucking sharts.
I'll be ready.
I'm gonna like shake
You're gonna hear them, she's gonna be like...
Oh my god.
that noise you made.
I can't do it.
Did you do that?
No.
We're so childish. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh my fuck.
It's Lauren.
Here's the road. Oh my god.
Are you guys ready for this?
Crawford Road. Holy shit, I'm fucking scared. Here we go.
Do that, Lauren.
Drive
Just
slow,
stop.
drive.
Lauren, it's just a road.
I know, but still.
You're gonna get this.
So am I. Oh my god, there it is.
Do you see it?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, I'm not getting
Oh
out.
my god.
I'm not getting out of the car.
I thought I heard something.
When
Hey
we-
James, it's your boy.
When we went under the bridge, I felt so.
I felt like...
I know, I
My-
thought I heard something. I'm not even lying. Like, I'm not even trying to be that attention bitch that thinks she's connected
Can
with
we go
ghosts.
again?
But I
Yeah.
legit
That
thought
was like a roller coaster.
Oh my fuck.
We're going again, right? Let's go the other way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go that way.
go
And that's enough for the
again.
night. Oh god.
Yeah, slow down.
Why is this rope? I hate you.
You asking to roll down the window is like asking to let the demon sit in that backseat with you.
Hell yeah.
Go for it.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, slow down.
Okay, I'm going
Slow
slow.
down.
I'm gonna shart. Oh my god.
Slow down. Wow. Beautiful.
What's up? So thanks for watching my video today. Just got home. It's like 1:30 in the morning. There's my puppy. She's so cute. But I'm cooking spaghetti. We're heating leftovers. And so yeah, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, you know, the whole deal. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. You know, I'd subscribe because I post some pretty cool content. Isn't that right, Callie? Isn't that right? Isn't that right, little puppy? Yeah. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.